Hi, this is Bruce Allman with Apache Village RV Center.
And I'm Tom Scorfino, Apache as well.
And we are down here at Jayco's 2026 annual homecoming. So they have unveiled some new product, and we are standing in the 335 LSTS. Now check this out. This is the highlight of the show down here. When you walk in, you got the L-shaped sofa here. What is that, a 64-inch TV, Tom?
At least, yeah, 64, 65. I really think we should probably just nickname this the Giant Killer. Because every manufacturer makes something that has the camp windows. It's your generic, you're looking at the TV here, you're looking at an island kitchen here, where they completely reconfigure. They kind of take what you love in the Giant, we'll call it the Giant one, where you have the full windows. You still have that in this, but now you have an actual kitchen. So your kitchen is separated. What we don't love about a lot of them is that your living room and your kitchen are kind of in one, where this creates a living room set up here. So you have a full living room. You still have sleeping for another couple, so you don't lose that. You still have plenty of seating. We actually have more here. You're going to have the pull-out table, so you have a ton of room set up here if you're going to accommodate anybody. But this is where it separates itself. It separates itself here. As you walk in, you're going to see a full pantry. Look at that pantry space. That's tons of room. A lot of times you're just going to get it tucked back in the corner. Then you have your double door fridge, and then as you entertain people, you have solid surface countertops all the way throughout. And look at the prep area. It's so great, Bruce. Like, you know how you love your tacos, dude.
Oh yeah,
You're
you can spread out in here.
All over the place,
yep,
everywhere. But you have a ton of room, drawers, great window. How many times do you get people that walk in and say the microwave is too high? It's way up here. Well, when it's on a slide, it's easy to reach. You can grab it and just open it that way as well. Again, GE. So they're using name brand stuff so that when you go and you want to spend more time, this is built more like a home. And if you want to do full-time living in it, you absolutely can, because it has that type of appliances. But again, the Giant Killer, that's what this is going to be. I guarantee that these numbers on this floor plan is going to jump because Jayco's excited about it. Bruce, how long have you been doing this? You've been doing this
26 years now, years. Yeah.
I'm on the 23rd year combined. We have 50 years of experience. And when we get into this and we get excited,
yeah,
this is exciting, because you know why it's exciting too? It's not 80 grand.
Right.
It's not a $100,000 unit. It's going to be less than 80, and you're going to get all this is what you're going to get as well. It's great.
It sure feels like a luxury fifth wheel.
It does. And the furniture is not all that peeling furniture that you see on anything that you get on used lots. I mean, we get a lot of trade-ins now that have all the furniture peeling, so we're having to order new furniture. You're not going to have any of that on this too. So yeah, it's awesome. It is such a cool floor plan. And then as you walk up here, you're going to find the bathroom's a great bathroom, great storage. You have your nice fan that you have right up there. And then you have what Jayco doesn't even talk enough about. They don't talk enough about their bedrooms. Because look at this bedroom. You're in a unit right now that is under 11,000 pounds. Look at how deep this slide is. Look at how big the bedroom is. A lot of people think you have to go to a North Point or Pinnacle to get it. You don't have to spend $100 grand to get this bedroom. And then look how they make a custom closet now. This is a full custom closet. So you have all types of hanging space, little cubby holes, drawers for your dresser, and then of course, you know, where you throw all your dirty clothes. You have a dirty clothes hamper there. And then, if again, since this is warranted for full-time living, you could throw a washer dryer stacked up there.
Yep, it's
so
prepped.
You can have it all that, so it's all prepped. So, yeah, I mean, this is the Giant Killer. It really is such a cool floor plan. This is going to do really well. And we're going to unveil it. Where are we going to unveil it, Bruce? We're going to do it. We're going to throw it down at the show. This is going to be down at the show, down at the St. Charles Family Arena for you to check out in person. It'll be one of the first ones coming in across the country. We ordered it 2 months ago before they even unveiled it down here. So we're going to have one of the first ones down at the country, down in the country. No, that didn't make any sense. In the country, down at the St. Charles Family Arena. It's going to be I believe the 5th, 6th, and 7th of September is what it's going to be, or right around that weekend after Labor Day. So come down and check it out. You can see it in person, make it yours.
Yeah, it's really awesome to come down here. We get to do this once a year.
Yeah.
And see the stuff that Jayco has been working on. And they sure knocked it out of the park with this one.
Yeah.
So,
yep, great price, great weight. It's under 37 foot total. And it's what you want.
well, we're excited. We hope to see you soon. Thank you.